Hello children, welcome to Ak Sharda Public School's Digital Library. Today we are going to discuss the topic Nutrition in Humans for Grade 7. The learning objectives of this topic are: you will be able to list the different organs of nutrition in human beings, understand the organs of the human digestive system and the process of digestion in humans, and describe the key concepts in your own words. In this topic, we will study about the nutrition in human beings. Let us understand the topic with the help of a mind map. Nutrition in human beings is possible because of a group of organs. The organs of digestion are mouth, salivary glands, esophagus, liver, stomach, pancreas, gallbladder, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. The appendix is a vestigial organ. As is the case in all animals, the process of nutrition in humans also follows the 5 steps, namely ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and finally egestion. Let us look at each step in detail. Ingestion is the process of taking in food. In humans, the food is taken in through the mouth. The mouth has 3 organs which help in ingestion. They are the teeth, tongue, and salivary glands. The teeth physically breaks down food. There are 2 sets of teeth in human beings. They are milk teeth and permanent teeth. The milk teeth are the first set of teeth which develops in babies. When the milk teeth falls off, the permanent teeth take their place. The tongue is a muscular flap in the mouth. The tongue has taste buds which help us to taste the food. The tongue also helps in swallowing food. We have 3 pairs of salivary glands. The salivary glands release saliva, which digests starch to sugar. Remember, the first digestion takes place in the mouth. The ingested food is now passed to the next step of nutrition, and that is digestion. Digestion is the process by which the body breaks down the food that is eaten into soluble nutrients that can be easily absorbed. The food from the mouth is passed to the stomach through the food pipe, which is also called the esophagus. The involuntary rhythmic movements of esophagus are called peristaltic movements. The stomach has a dilute hydrochloric acid and a protein digesting substance. The acid kills germs and starts breaking down food, while the protein digesting substance begins digesting protein. The inner wall of the stomach has glands that secrete mucus, which protects the stomach from being digested. The partly digested food is now in a semi-liquid state and it is called chyme. The chyme enters the small intestine, where liver and pancreas secrete their pancreatic juice and helps in digestion. Liver secretes bile juice while pancreas secrete pancreatic juice. The bile juice is stored in the gallbladder and it is sent to the small intestine as and when required. The different products of digestion are: the complex carbohydrates are converted to simple sugars, proteins are converted to amino acids, and fats are converted to fatty acids. Now let us look at the next step of nutrition, and that is absorption. Absorption is the process in which the digested nutrients from the small intestine are absorbed into the blood vessels. For this, there are finger-like projections inside the inner wall of the small intestine, which are called villi. Villi increases area for absorption. The villi has a high supply of blood vessels. Water is also absorbed in large intestine. The absorbed nutrients are now sent to the different parts of the body where it is utilized. This process is called assimilation. The oxygen that we breathe in breaks down glucose and gives energy. The amino acids which are obtained after digestion are converted to proteins. The fatty acids are stored as reserve energy. The fatty acids also provide heat to the body. Finally, the undigested food enters the large intestine for the next step of nutrition, and that is digestion. Digestion is the removal of undigested food from the body. Water and salts are also absorbed in the large intestine. The excess water is removed as urine, while the food waste is removed as feces through the anus. This is how we can explain nutrition in human beings with the help of a mind map. I hope all of you have understood this topic. Thank you.